We're getting straight into it. This is Ft.Alipop Hair Company. This is the bag. I'm showing you everything that came inside. This hair is a straight 18-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig. I decided to do a deep side part with this hair, but it came straight, very soft. The ends are perfect and not shedding. This is how the lace look. I did actually bleach the frontal. First the wig cap, and now I'm putting this powdered pressed foundation on the wig cap just to make it blend in a little bit more. For the actual lace, I'm going in with the lace tint spray in a medium brown color. Now it's time to apply the wig. First, I am cutting off the ear tabs because we do not need those. Now I'm going in with the Got2b glue. This is actually a pretty good hold for it being glue. For a little bit more security, I'm going in with the the Eben lace front spray. While the lace and glue is drying, I'm going to layer this hair a little bit because it is a side part and I do want a swoop effect. Now I'm going in with the hot comb to have a very slick parting. Going in with the curling iron. I want very loose curls, but be careful because this is hot. Now it's time to cut off the lace. I'm not doing anything super special because I wanted to do dramatic baby hairs. Very quick and easy look. I really hope you enjoyed the video, dolls. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.